Hello students, welcome back to our channel MathX Infinity. Today we will discuss a problem from JEE 2029 Mains, a problem of complex number. Given a complex number z which satisfies this property that modulus of z less than 1 and omega is another complex number and omega is of the form 5 plus 3z by 5 into 1 minus z, then which of the following options is correct? Students, just before going to solve this problem, we'll look at this problem that uh, we have to use this condition that modulus of z less than 1. So from the structure of omega we have to eliminate z. Okay, so just write the form of omega 5 plus 3z 5 1 minus z, just using cross multiplication 5 plus 3z. Now from here 5 omega z plus 3z is equal to 5 omega minus 5. So take z common, 5 omega plus 3, and from here 5 omega minus 5. So z is of this form 5 omega minus 5 by 5 omega plus 3. Now students, look, the given condition is that modulus of z less than 1. So we will use this condition. Given modulus of z less than 1, it will imply modulus of 5 omega minus 5 by 5 omega plus 3. This also will be less than 1. Now this is a very basic property of complex number that z into z bar is equal to modulus of z square. So we will use this property to solve this problem. Now just squaring both sides, we have 5 omega minus 5 by 5 omega plus 3 square less than 1. Now use this property here, 5 omega minus 5 by 5 omega plus 3, and its conjugate is 5 omega bar minus 5 by 5 omega bar plus 3. This is less than 1. Now just after some simplification, now just simple multiplication, 25 omega omega bar minus 25 omega minus 25 omega bar plus 25 less than 25 omega omega bar plus 15 omega plus 15 omega bar plus 9. Now just look carefully that 25 omega omega bar, and from both the side it will be cancelled out. Now just we take all omega and omega to a side and 9 another side. So we will have 40 omega plus 40 omega bar will be greater than 25 minus 9. So just take 40 common, omega plus omega bar greater than 16. Since omega is another complex number, just for simplicity of writing, we can assume alpha omega is alpha plus I beta. So omega bar will be alpha minus I beta. So as a sum of omega and omega bar, we will have 2 alpha, that is 2 into real part of omega. So we can write omega plus omega bar is greater than 60 by 40, that is 2 into real part of omega greater than 60 by 40, that is real part of omega will be greater than 60 by 80, that is exactly equals to 1 by 5. So real part of omega is greater than 1 by 5. So as a result, we have 5 into real part of omega is greater than 1. So students, the correct option is option C. So students, I think this is a very nice problem, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.